Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Abu Salama, narrates that Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha told her that she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, marry my sister who is another daughter of Hazrat Abu Sufyan. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you like it? I submitted, yes. I alone am not with you, and I like my sister more than anyone else as my co-sharer in this good. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is not lawful for me. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we have heard that you wish to marry Durra, the daughter of Abu Salama. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the daughter of Salama. I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, even if she had not been in my care, she would not have been lawful for me, for she is my niece by wet nursing. Saweba wet nursed me as well as Abu Salama. So you must not present me your daughters and sisters. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5107.